guys, my name is Byron with Bug Out with Byron. Guys, I've realized that I don't get a lot of views whenever I'm inside not doing anything. So we're outside walking around because I get better views. This video is gonna be over our Ruger P95. Guys, we will go back inside the house in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, since we have this gun already taken apart, we're gonna put it back together real quick, and then we'll show you how to deassemble it. To show you guys, the gun is unloaded. So what we're going to do is there is a little notch right there. You're gonna pull it back to about right there, maybe a little bit more, and then there's a little button right there. You push that button, holding the slide with one hand. You're gonna take that pin out. You're gonna release the slide. You're gonna pull it back. There's a little button right there. Push that button down. Slide the gun off. You have your spring. Put just a little bit of tension on it, pull up. As well as you have your barrel. You go forward, push up, and pull it back. So that, guys, we have our slide, our pin, our barrel, our spring, and our lower receiver. So you want to do this on a clean countertop. Grab some sort of rag and just start kind of cleaning it. Now, guys, I kind of already started on this before I actually said, hey, I'll make a video out of it. So it's still a little clean, but I mean, that's what we already did. So we're gonna get all the nasty gunpowder, excess oil, dirt, dust, debris. We're gonna get that all out. Hopefully you guys can see pretty well. Alright, now that the lower receiver's good, we're gonna move on to the slide. Once we have the slide done, we're gonna work on the barrel. Again, guys, you don't have to like spend all day on this. It's just gonna try to get some of the debris off. That's why it's a very good idea to have your hands clean, to have your table clean, and all your other stuff clean, because what's the point cleaning a gun if it's just gonna get dirty again? Then you kind of get a brush, kind of go over it a little bit more. No, whoops. Yes, guys, this is overkill, but I really don't care. I'd rather have my gun. People say that I clean my guns quote unquote too well than for them to say, wow, you don't clean your guns at all. So as you know, we had that big gun shoot, and now we're cleaning all of our stuff. This is a push rod. So in our 9mm cleaning kit, we have our rod, we have our push rod, the plastic one, the copper one, the cloth one, we have our cloth cleaning kits, we have our eye hook and our push rod. I personally, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I don't really use a push rod too much. So you use the plastic part. Guys, I'm sorry that table's shaking real bad. It's whenever I rest my hands on it, like, it makes it shake. Oh well. After we use our plastic one, we're gonna move on to our copper / wire brush. A good way to tell is just kind of like look into the light. I don't know if I can really get a good look at that, but alright, after our copper/wire brush, we move on to our cloth brush. I don't know if I already said this, guys. This is my 9mm cleaning kit. I have a bigger cleaning kit that I use that has a wide variety. However, because I do like my 9mm pistols, then I chose to get a specific cleaning kit for 9mm. Now that we've had a pretty good rundown on cleaning, we move on to lubrication. We have our Lucas brand, which it's actually called Lucas gun oil. Guys, I like this stuff a lot. So we are going to get another cloth. We're going to get our eyelet, screw it into our push rod. Get the cloth, kind of fold it in half, stick it through the eyelet, put it obviously about halfway through, and put our gun oil on it. Guys, you want to be generous with your gun oil. Then you get the barrel. You just run through it a couple times. Then we're going to lubricate all of our major parts that are touching metal. Basically any parts that have metal contact, we're going to lubricate them, because just like a car, it needs lubrication. Without lubrication, metal on metal is no bueno. For those who do not speak Spanish, no bueno means no good. You don't want to apply like a crap ton of oil, like the whole thing, but we also don't want to not put any oil on it. There's not really a happy medium. Just kind of what you prefer. Now, we will put it all back together. So starting with our slide, we put the barrel in. Make sure that the hook part is facing down. You're going to slide it in. Well, maybe. Nah. There we go. Sometimes it needs just some finicking around. Then we grab our spring. I don't know if you can really see that, guys. Let's see if we can get a better look. So you're gonna put this hook right into there. Then we're going to make sure that our button is pushed down, and we slide it back on. Then we grab our push rod, or pin. We put it back just a little bit. You have to get the happy medium point, which is right there. There we go, guys. So again, showing you that this gun is unloaded. You want to cycle it through, making sure that it works properly. There you go, guys. That is how you clean a Ruger P9. I think it's a P. Oh, my bad. P95 9mm. see you guys later in our next video. Bug out with Byron out.